Today, gagawa tayo ng heavy meal breakfast kasi kung minsan kailangan natin din ang heavy meals. So, gagawa tayo ng potato, toasted potato with egg and fried rice. Ito siya. So, ayan, hello! Hello po sa inyong lahat dyan. Kumusta po ang buhay-buhay natin? So, ayan, andito na tayo ulit dito tayo ulit sa kusina. So, I hope lahat tayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Ose. Shoutout sa mga OFW dyan, nandyan sa aking mga YouTube friends na laging sumusuporta at sumusubaybay sa aking mga simple cooking recipe ngayon. So yan, hindi ako makapag-vlog ng mga photographs at ibang videos kasi still hindi pa rin tayo makalabas. Ayan, so today but before anything else, sana pala yung mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa akin, please like and subscribe below. Ayan. At saka, gaya ng dating sinasabi ko, please ring the notification bell para pag may new upload ako, ma-notify kayo kagad. So, ayan, salamat po sa inyong lahat dyan. So, ayan, in today's video, magluluto ako ng western food. Idagdag ko yung fried rice. Ayan. So, ang lulutuin kong main ngayon ay delicious recipe breakfast, skillet with roasted potatoes and eggs. Ayan. Pwedeng pang breakfast at saka pwedeng pang lunch din. Ayan. Kahit anong gusto nyo. Ayan. So ang ating ingredients dito ay potato, i-slice natin at saka yung tomato sauce. Simple lang siya. So, ayan. So, samahan nyo ako at magluluto tayo ng roasted potatoes with eggs. So, coming up! First, we will wash our potato. Hugasan natin muna ang ating patatas ng maigi. Ayan. Para malinis siya. Ayan. Tsaka itong isa. Hugasan natin ng maigi. Okay. Okay, ayan na siya. Malinis. First, slice natin ang ating potato into cubes. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Tapos ilagay natin dito. So, ayan, slice natin ang ating potato. So, okay, ito na siya. Ito na ang ating potato. Ayan. Lagyan natin dito. And now we will transfer it to a bowl. And we will put olive oil, at least 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Yeah, that's it. We put black pepper powder and a salt, and we will mix it nicely. Mix it together. So that's it. Well mixed with salt and pepper and oil. So here it is. We put on the oven until it will be little bit brown cook. Okay, and now we will put in on a tray oven for to bake it for at least 25 minutes to 30 minutes, and until it will be little bit brown, cook little bit brown, golden brown. So this is it. We will spread it in the tray oven. So we peel and chop our onion first. And now we will cut our garlic into very thin slices. So ayan, mag-start na tayong magluto. Gamitin natin as usual ang olive oil. First, ilagay natin ang ating chopped onion. Isut natin ng ilang minuto. So habang hinihintay natin ang ating garlic at onion mag-brown, i-chop natin itong tomato into small pieces. Ito, ilagay na natin ang ating garlic. Isama natin sa onion. Yan. So this is our potato. Okay. Look at it. So ito na yung ating tomato mixture. Ilagay natin ang ating potato, which we put it in the oven a while ago. Yeah. So that's it. Okay. We will wait a few minutes for the potato to absorb the tomato sauce. Look at it. We chop also our parsley. We will put paprika, Spanish paprika. Tablespoon. Look at it, it's so good color. We suit our onion, garlic. That's it. And now we will put our tomato, fresh tomato. That's it. We will put a little water. Ayan. Okay. Our parsley. Okay. And some ground pepper powder. Black or white powder can be. Okay. And we put a little spicy. That's it. And we put a little salt, pinch of salt. Okay. And we will cover it until it will be cook and the water will be absorbed by the tomato. Toasted potato and egg. While waiting our potato, we will prepare an egg. 2 eggs for each bowl. Be careful not to break the egg yolk. That's it. And now we will slowly pour it here. Okay. That's it. And we will cover it. And we will cover it for a few minutes. That's it. Okay. We will put a little decoration on it. That's it. And a little black powder. Okay. Sanan. That's it. And we will cover it until it will be cooked, the egg. So ito ang ating breakfast skillet, toasted potato. So this is our fried rice. Ham fried rice. Ayan, with vegetable as usual. Ayan. Okay. And this is our skillet with the roasted potato and egg. So, ayan na siya ang ating Okay, so that's it. This is our menu for the breakfast today. Yan. Yan, naluto na natin ang ating pagkain ngayon. So, I hope nagustuhan nyo. At saka may natutunan kayo kahit konti-unti lang. At saka sa susunod naman ulit sa ating pagluluto ng ating mga simpleng recipe. So, ayan ang ating fried rice at saka ang ating roasted potato with egg. Ayan. So, salamat po sa inyong lahat ulit. So, bye-bye. God bless. See you again next time. Bye!